good escape route. We're good. Holy cow. Yep, back out of there, dude. Yep, get out of there, dude. Get out. We got left-right motion. Yep, there's the inflow coming in. Window going up. Windshield wipers on. Yep, there she is. We got a tornado. Crossing the road right in front of me. Road is clear behind. Debris falling. It's just leaves, but it's coming out of the tornado. Wow. Yep, there it is. Wow. Let's do south of here. Got an east option in a little bit. Watch out for rear inflow jet. Oh, I've got debris. Wow. Oh, I think it hit that transmitter building. Okay, go slow here. Looking for rear inflow jet. Oh, yeah. Yep, there. Wow, listen to the roar. Okay, it's right here. Watch it in case it pulls back up north. Oh, yeah, it just hit this transmitter site. Oh, wow. Oh, gosh. There it is. Okay, window going up. Wow, look at the debris in there. Holy cow. I was right here looking for a retrograde back to the north. I might need to back out of here pretty dang quick. I am right next to that sucker. Holy mackerel. Wow. Oh, you can hear the roar. Okay. Come on. Holy frick, that's a tornado right there. Oh my gosh. First one, let's go, dudes. Wow. Look at the debris going. Okay, we need to get back on the road here. Looking for traffic, no one's ripping by. Wow, it's still going. Okay, there's a road down here somewhere that goes to the left. Mild debris, nothing too serious so far.